Hey everybody, Shu and April here. We are in Baraboo, I like that name, Baraboo, Wisconsin, which is home of not only the Ringling Brothers Circus, but also Devil's Lake State Park. The place is beautiful. So we're going to go around, get some pictures, stuff like that, show you what you can expect to see. Hopefully other than a motorcycle going around in circles all day long. But let's go see what we can find. Alrighty. Apparently there's Indian mounds here. And it says here a group of Native Americans, effigy mound builders, fashioned dirt approximately 50 generations ago into three kinds of mounds. Those in the form of animals such as the bear mounted to the left of this sign, those which look like ridges such as the mound to the right of this sign, and those in the shape of cones or half circles, the oval type. These people probably held ceremonies and rites by these mounds. Alrighty, so the mound to our left, the bear, it is kind of grown over. This is where the mound is. But there are some pretty flowers in here. All kinds of pretty flowers. And the mound to the right is also covered in flowers. Let's get a close-up of these. Alrighty, found some more of them. In the immediate vicinity of this sign, there are three Indian mounds. A bear to the left, which I'm thinking is way over there. A panther straight ahead, which is right there. And a linear, a long, low ridge to the right, which is going to be that right over there. And get a focus there for you. Native Americans, effigy mound builders, fashioned dirt into these mounds approximately 1,000 years ago. These people also built a third type of mound, the round or oval type, and often all three types were built in the same area. In all likelihood, a group of mounds was a place for holding ceremonies and rites. Cool. Yeah, so that is the panther there. It'd be nice if they would cut it down so you could actually see the mound, but here's the mound of the panther. Here is the linear. And let's see if we can find the bear. And here is the bear mound. This one you can kind of tell that this is the neck going around the head, going out. His body comes around there, little leg, and then back up to its neck. So that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Almost an hour later, he's still using an impact gun to try to level his friggin' RV. It's been over an hour now. Either his RV is going to be level or he's going to run out of battery power. And I think it's level.